to start off with my first question of the night, which was, what are the basics of caricature? So someone asked me, what are the basics of caricature? Well, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to give you a crash course real quick in what the basics of caricature are, okay? All right, in basic caricature, the first thing you got to understand is, well, what is a caricature? A caricature is your interpretation of someone's face as a fictional character. Make believe, like, what do I think they look like if they were a cartoon type of thing? Okay, so in order to be able to do that, well, this does require some imagination. You're going to have to, that's definitely the first thing you want to work on is imagination. Okay, so when you're drawing caricatures, well, what are you doing? Well, you're taking shapes. First thing you want to do is you want to realize how many shapes are there. Well, in drawing a caricature, okay, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 shapes you want to concern yourself with when you're drawing caricatures, okay? So what helped me a great deal was being able to use these to plan a caricature ahead of time before I get started. Okay, so what I'll do here is I'll draw like a mask, like a villain mask, okay? This is where your eyes are going to go. This is going to help you to be able to track your features better, okay? All right, so if you want, we can put little circles in there so it'll be like a villain mask, okay? Now, the next shapes are going to be where are your cheekbones in relation to the entire face. So this person right here, let's say we're going to use the same cheeks right here. Usually I think of the cheeks like hard-boiled eggs, but I cut them in half and I kind of glued them to the mask like that, okay? All right, now, the next shape that we're going to be concerned with is we're going to be with the nose shape. What is the basic shape of my nose, okay? So if my nose in this particular case, usually the nose is going to be some type of a triangle shape, okay? It's going to be some variation of a triangle if you look here, okay? So let's just do a triangle shape, and we're just going to go with the same one that they have here, okay? Now, behind that shape, or attached to this shape, is going to be our jawline shape, okay? So this will be basically what your face is shaped like from your temples here, where my glasses, the eyes, you see where these are, my arms on my glasses are? This is going to be the shape downwards from there. All right, so this is what's going to happen. It's going to go around and down and around, okay? And then what we do is we attach them to the cheekbones, okay? So based off of where's your mouth at in here? Your mouth is usually going to go inside of this little space here, okay? So we'll do something like this, all right? And then we'll put our cranium shape, and the cranium shape is going to be the blue shape, okay? So whatever size or whatever shape you observe the cranium to be, usually it's going to be some type of oval shape or a round shape. In this particular case, it's actually like a balloon, it looks like a balloon shape, and it actually attaches to the nose. So you can see it kind of is behind the mask, right? And then, oh, wait a minute, we forgot one shape here. We forgot our brow shape, which is that reddish pink shape here. So we want to go here like that, okay? And then we want to go ahead and we'll put our little head shape behind there. So you can see the consistency that it has. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to take the information that we just learned and we're going to apply that to our caricature drawing. Okay. First thing we can do is we can start with our mask shape. Well, what is his mask shape? What is it going to look like? Okay, so we'll do first of all, a brow shape. You can see that he has a very small brow. Okay, and this would be kind of his mask shape. So if I pretend there's 2 circles around his eyes, that's what they would look like. Now this would be his nose shape. I'm going to exaggerate his nose a little bit, okay? And then I'm going to put his cheekbones kind of out here a little bit like that, okay? Then I'm going to bring his cheek, you see how his cheekbone, I'm going to bring it down a little bit here because I want to be able, I want to exaggerate his nose, but I also want to exaggerate kind of like I don't know if I want to go too far on that. I might not want to. Hold on. This is all part of the caricature, so you got to be thinking this in your head. All right. I want to draw a picture. I don't want this to be too long though, because I want his nose to be the prominent feature there. Then after that, we'll go ahead and do this here. This is the shape, okay? And then we're going to go ahead and we're going to go behind our shape and we're going to do something like this. Then we're going to make a shape that kind of does like this, comes around and fits back into the forehead, okay? So, and then you can see where his eyes will go. His eyes are going to go right in here, okay? You see how we did that? And we can see his neck shape kind of coming out like this. You see it? Okay? So this is what the skeleton would look like, all right? Okay, so now let's go ahead. I don't know if we can see through the paper for me to draw it on another sheet. Yeah, I can kind of see it. Okay. You guys should be able to see right through there. Okay, so that's like I did a sketch right there, okay? So now this is what I'll do. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do this shape here. I'm going to do the eyes. 1, 2, right? See that? Okay. 1, 2, right? Now watch this. 1, 2. That's where his nose shape was at. Now I can see the brow line just sticks out ever so slightly. But then this comes down like that, right? And then this comes over like that. Then this comes around like that, right? And then this comes around like this. Okay? And we can see our neck shape kind of coming from behind there. See how we did that? Okay. Now, what we're going to do next, remember where we put our mouth shape. You can see where the cheekbone is, right? Okay, so we can see what's going on here. We see the cheekbone there, so we're going to do something like this. Okay? Look. Just like that. Okay? And let's go ahead and shape the front of that nose. Okay? Now we'll go ahead and put our ear shape here. Okay? Now we're going to go ahead and put our head shape. So, you see how easily we can now see what a curve is in his head, like that. Okay? We can see the hair kind of coming down into his forehead there. Okay? You can see the hair kind of weaseling up here. Okay? Kind of coming around. Kind of obeying that head shape and then coming back around into it. Okay? And we can see our head shapes coming on around there. So we'll do this here. Okay? Put some little edge lines. Okay? Okay? And there we have it. See how we used this to draw that? Hey guys, I hope that you enjoyed that video tutorial. If you did, don't hesitate guys to go ahead and give us a like. Also guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below and the notifications button. This way, when we put up new material, you'll be the first to know. If you have any questions about our markers or pens or paper, and you'd like to know where I get some of the materials that I use here on my art stream, there's a link in the description below, so you can go ahead and check that out as well. And also guys, we'd like to welcome your questions and comments.
so that we can get some new ideas. You know, it's always good to have new, fresh ideas for our next and upcoming videos. Oh, and don't forget to check out these 2 super cool videos right here. So guys, thanks again for your love and support of our channel. You guys be safe out there. And as always, guys, I wish you happy cartooning.